Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Monday, September 15th. On the impact map today, still a disturbance moving through northern areas with some more showers. There'll be some drier, breezy conditions, winds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Fuels there are not critical, so not as big of a concern. Some of those showers will linger over northeast Utah, the Uintas, on Tuesday, but gradually Tuesday and Wednesday, high pressure builds in with a warming and gradual drying trend. No significant impacts as we head into the middle of the week. Low pressure still controlling the weather in the north with some of those showers and clouds you see there on the satellite. We have drier air coming in across southern areas. Lightning, again, had some more of it over eastern and northern areas, quite a bit. You can see the precipitation on the left-hand side, light to locally moderate precipitation, but with all that lightning, no discernible new fire starts. We did have two new fires for 50 acres. One shown here, one of them I do not see on the map right now. Large fire growth, 58 acres. Precipitation over the past 2 weeks, fairly widespread over many areas, not particularly heavy, but some areas in the green there, a half-inch to locally of an inch, but multiple days is what's really done a number on our fuels. You see most of them at or below the 50th percentile, a few of them between the 50th and 70th over parts of northern Utah and eastern Idaho. The 10-hour fuels are gradually drying out in southern areas. The area in the dark gold here, 7 to 8% on the 10-hour fuel, still marginally critical at best. Upper level map for today, there's a low pressure area with some more showers across parts of the central Idaho mountains in the northern areas. Most areas are in the green. We have some yellow here in the 7 days, so nothing critical, and our neighbors are showing the same. On the left, we do have some winds gusting over 30 miles an hour, near 30 in a lot of the areas where we see the orange and purple shades. Humidity in the upper teens in those areas, so marginally critical, but lots of moisture there in the past several days, so not as big a concern. That front it still is lingering in eastern, northeastern Utah tomorrow, otherwise much drier air given by that tannish and reddish shade. Monsoonal moisture confined to the south. You can see we start drying out on our PSAs, a little bit more yellow expanding on the map. That's because the humidity here is drying out quite a bit. Upper single digits to low teens over most of Nevada, even getting up into southwest Idaho. Winds fairly light for tomorrow. And then we're kind of in between systems. Low pressure area advances into the plain states. Dry, high pressure builds over the area. Monsoonal moisture is still just to our south, so more areas start drying out. Again, the humidity similar, dries across Nevada and much of western and southern Utah. Winds light. 3-day precip, just some light stuff in the north. But as we go into Thursday, some of that quasi-monsoonal moisture will combine with a low pressure area off the California coast. Showers start moving back into parts of southern and western Nevada as we go into Thursday. And then Friday, some of those showers move further north into northern Nevada, parts of Utah. So we see the yellows being replaced by green on the map. And then some showers lingering over parts of northern Utah. But anywhere here in the black, the atmospheric moisture is high enough for scattered showers to pop up a little bit with the daytime heating despite being under high pressure. And we see more showers returning to the south, to the Arizona Strip, southern Utah on Sunday. Basically, all areas kind of slide back into the green by the end of the weekend. 7-day total precipitation, a lot is here in the south, is coming up late in the week into the weekend. That's what's going to moisten up a lot of our PSAs again. And nothing significant on the 8 to 14 day. Looking at warmer than normal temperatures to near normal and wetter than normal signal still, coming up with some moisture sources from the monsoon and from storm systems moving into the Pacific Northwest. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.